Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today we are back to the same place where we have left the last time. This is the second time we are visiting this place and somehow this place is so captivating. It could either be because of the less footfall or because of the fact that it has got many good restaurants. No matter what, since you all must have guessed, we are Asian food lovers and we are here today to try out new dishes. So there is a restaurant called MISU over here. So if you remember the brick oven vlog from the last time, this restaurant is right next to it. I would say this restaurant is a hidden treasure with very good ambience. By the way, these vinegar pickled veggies are very tasty and they are complimentary and they come with a variety of chutneys. Just look at this spring roll doppelganger. I am usually not a fan of noodles, but these veg hakka noodles were fantastic. The soups tasted really yum and they were a bit spicy as well, suited for Indian customers. Now who doesn't like sushi? Now this tofu is paneer's doppelganger, but it's much more refined and soft. This Thai red curry is my top favorite. Of course, we had to work out after that food session, so what better place than IKEA? Being a bookhead, you will have to burn your calories before your next fantastic meal, so that's what we are doing. If I wouldn't have any plans of saving, I would have bought half the store. That's how good the items were. It's dinner time and we had been to this authentic North Indian restaurant which is called Gramin. It's in Koramangala and they have a pretty good seating space, but parking is an issue. Now coming to the food, they have got good variety of dishes which were pretty interesting and they were tasty too. Nothing out of the world, but they are pretty good for a good night's meal. The good part is that the dishes were light on the wallet as well. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you soon.